Hey everybody, in this video I'm gonna be showing you guys how to fix could not find the recovery environment on Windows 11. So it's actually pretty simple. So yeah guys, without any further ado, let's get started with today's video. Alright guys, so first of all just go to search bar on Windows 11 and just type in CMD, and here you just have to right click on it and then just click on run as administrator. Click on yes, and here just click on regent enable or enable something like that. Actually, let me confirm it. You have to write regentc enable, right? And this should fix your could not find the could not find the recovery environment issue on your laptop or computer device. So yeah guys, this is how you do it. Thanks for watching. Peace.